Marelli has chosen the BlackBerry QNX Neutrino RTOS and BlackBerry QNX Hypervisor to power their cockpit domain controller solution. This engagement marks a significant milestone in the collaboration between BlackBerry and Marelli, and demonstrates their shared commitment to empower a connected transportation future with secure, safe, and innovative mobility technologies. BlackBerry and Marelli began co-developing embedded cockpit systems for their major Chinese automakers in 2016. In 2018, the two companies extended the collaboration to utilize the QNX platform for digital cockpits in Marelli's electronic systems cockpit and digital cluster solution. The BlackBerry QNX Neutrino RTOS and QNX Hypervisor are highly reliable and scalable, making the cockpit domain controller solution both flexible and scalable. BlackBerry QNX software provides a consolidated environment for multiple systems with mixed criticality and different operating environments, reducing both the initial development and long-term costs of ownership while still ensuring the highest standards of functional safety and security.